Hello guys, this is Deepak. Welcome on my channel Everything Technical. This is my channel. Please subscribe my channel. In my previous video, I have show you like how to create and extend the LVM. In this video, I'll show you how we can reduce the LVM and how we can remove the LVM partition. So let's start with the video. And this is my terminal, and I'm doing this practical in CentOS. So let's see the video how we can remove the LVM. So in my previous video, I'll show you how we can extend and how we can create a LVM. So if I want to see like previous LVM, so I'll use this command pv scan. There's a command I can check how many PVs are available in this system. So I have just used two PV. I have created two PV, SDB1 and SDB2. This is my driver, which one I have used for the LVM. So it's my VG and it is assigned for the myvol. And now I'll show you how many VG I have. So using VG scan command, if it is not working, so you can use the VG display. This is a command you can check here. I have VG size 20 GB and it's a PE size, that one size of the PE it's 4 MB, and here you can see I have used 8 GB for the LVM and remaining 12 GB I have space. I have free space in this. So if I want to check LV, so I'll use command LV scan. Now you can see this is showing active. It is an active state and name of the drivers, that is tab myvol LV1. It is a my partition name LV1 and the size of that partition is 8 GB. Now the procedure how we can reduce the partition. So the command of the reducing the partition is lvreduce. First of all, I am showing you how we can reduce the LV. So lvreduce the command, and then you can use the device name. First of all, before doing reducing command, you should have to umount that particular partition. So uh, for umounting system, you can use the command. For the umounting process, you have to use the command umount and the name of the mount point. So this is mount point deep. I have previously I've shown see you like I have done it. So if you don't see it, so go for this go for that previous video and see this video, like how we can mount and unmount the system, like how we can mount the partition. So after using this command, I have unmounted the partition. So if I'll use this command df-h, so here you are unable to see that the partition. So now after this, you can use the command for the mounting for the reducing the partition. After doing this, you have to do one more thing. Go into the fstab and remove the particular entry. So I'm just going to remove this entry. Why I'm going to remove this entry? For example, if I have I'm not removed this entry and I have done all the process, like I have reduced all the, I have removed all the partition, but remaining your fs tab entry, like you have not removed any fs tab entry. In fs tab, what entry you have done, you have not removed, but when you have rebooted your system, on that time it can be a goes into the control the maintenance mode. So it can be a error, like you can go into the trouble. So you should have to make sure you are removing this your fs tab entry of the particular partitions. So I have just removed that. So I have to use the command mount -a. So you will get the idea like how it's there is any error or not. If there is any error, you will get the error in a fs tab. So I have mounted all the partition, but reducing the lvm. So now I have to use the command for the reducing the partition. So I'll use the command lvreduce. lvreduce lvreduce and the name of the partition. So I'll use, sorry, device name, it's a partition or device name. I'll use the command tab myvol lv. Now you can see there is the error. Please specify either size or extend, but not both. So I'll use the command here -l and the size. The size, how many size you want to give? 4G. Sorry, I have not given the space over here, so it will give the error. Now you can see here it is showing the pop-up. Do you want to really reduce this partition or not? So if you press yes, so it will be reduced 4 GB, and if you press no, so it will not, like it will discard that system. So I have used yes. So you can see I have done the size logical volume myvol change for 8 GB to in the extents of 4 GB. Now extends like logical volume successfully resized. Now you have resized successfully LVM. If you want to see the LVM, so use the command lv scan, and now you can see in this command I have only 4 GB. So previously I have reduced 4 GB of the partition. Now I want to reduce the vg size I want to remove. So I'll use the command vgreduce. I will use this command vgreduce. What the name of the device? So I'll use the command this device dev and myvol is the name of the my partition from where I want to remove this dev, like which partition I'm going to reduce. Like I'm going to reduce the part PV. So I'll use the command dev sdb 2. I have two SDB1 and SDB2. I have merged into the single VG. So I'll use this and I'll remove this, reduce this. So now you can see here the option remove SDB, like dev SDB2 from VG. Now you can see VG display, VG display command you can use, and you can see I have 4 GB. Like I have the previous one, the size of the VG 10 GB. Previous was this was 20 GB, and now it's 10 GB. I have just removed this VG. Now you have done this process, like you can easily remove this, like you can easily reduce the size of that VG and LV. Now how we can remove the LV and VG or PV also? How we can remove all the partition, like how we can remove the LVM, all LVM I want to remove. So use the command lv remove. This is a command lv remove. I want to remove the command myvol. So here one suggestion for you, like you have to use for forcefully. You want to remove the LVM in a forcefully, like in forceful way. Dev myvol lv1, the name of the device. So you can see it's a lv is removed successfully. So if you want to see in this video, lv is not there. So if you want to see lv display, there is also a command. You can see there is no LVM right now, it's already remove LV. So I want to remove VG also. VG remove, you can give this and the name of the VG, and just the name of the VG myvol. Now you can see volume group myvol successfully remove. You can see VG display. In VG display you will not get anything, so it's showing no volume group found. Now I want to remove PV also. PV remove, PV remove dev SDB2. I have two, I have two PVs, SDB1 and SDB2. First I have removed SDB2, and now I'll remove SDB1. Now you can see I have removed all the SDB1 and SDB. I have just removed all the LVMs. So if you want to see PV scan, there is no PVs. Like PV display also you can use the command. In PV display there is no anything. So you will get this, like this type of the output. And if you use this command VG display, there is no VG. If you use the command LV display, there is no LV. So successfully you have removed all the LVM. So this is our process how we can reduce and remove the LVM. So we have successfully removed and reduced the LVM. If you like my video, please share to your friends and please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my channel, Everything Technical. Thank you for watching my video.